higher pop, put some shades on. Let it up, man.
Hi everyone, today December 30, I think December 29. It's a 52 degree. It's not that cold, but you still need the jacket if you want to going out, but it's not that cold like the days before. So right now I walk from 52nd East Midtown Lexington Avenue, and you can see the bank still open for today. I don't know until what time. Maybe they'll open until 5 o'clock on December 29 today. And yesterday around this area have a boiler. Yeah, exploit around this area the gas, but today they already fixed it, and you still can walk in, and a lot of policemen around this area because there's a police station close by here, and you can see the coffee branch. This before is the optical, but they list right now empty space over here, and they have a McDonald's here. They open 24 hours. If you guys hungry at night time, like the middle of night, you can go to the, and you can see this one opening soon. If you like you nice nails during New Year, you can get it. And also there's a retail space. So we cross the street. We have to wait until the light turn to the white. Now we can cross the street.
I told my boy about it.
And if you guys work in the office and running your ink or paper, they have staples around this area as well. It's not that cold today, 52nd degree Fahrenheit, but the wind kind of strong, like a 5 RPM I think. But now we're still working to the 49th Street. So if you guys have a question where I'm at right now, I'm at the 3rd Avenue, East 49. And you can see the huge of the gravity. So it's very huge gravity. Such a nice. You can park your bicycle on the street. They have some of the ring here, so you can lock your bicycle there. Now we keep walking around the 3rd Avenue and East 48th Street. You can see another paint over there. So this park is open for public. There's a lot of yellow capped. And that's a corner. They have a food truck. Sell some of the sandwich. So that's a 6767. They still put the Christmas trees on the building. The bus block the view, but it's fine. So you can see just a little bit. It doesn't matter. I still keep walking. And on my left side we have a Starbucks and CVS pharmacies if you need some of medication. Now we arrive at the East 47th Street. And you can see the BOA still open, so don't have to worry. Oh, there's coffee shop, like a 10K coffee shop. I never try it, but I always, oh, it's 10 hour. Oh, interesting. I should try, but not today. I'll keep walking until I found something interesting, I think. Or so if you prefer the healthy food, they have a just salad. They still open. Salad. What was that? Citibank. So maybe today the last day Citibank open. I mean the last day bank opening on this year. Cause tomorrow, oh, still have it tomorrow, Saturday. Is funny. So I keep walking. Now we arrive at the East 45th. So in this corner, what is that? I don't even know. It looks like something sells. It's interesting, but I think cross the street, but why? The car still, I don't even know. It's still white. Oh, it's a CBD or TH. You can buy here. You know, in New York, last year it's illegal. And you have a Wendy's here. So, if you're hungry or you need a coffee, they have a coffee shop on my right side. So you want me still work or enough for now? But no, I still want to work just a little bit more. Maybe 5 more minutes I can walk. So right now in the city you saw a lot of bikes parked on the street because they're not allowing unregistered moped to drive around this city. You're gonna get a ticket. So everybody switches their moped to the bicycle. So keep walking. Now I'm at the East 43rd. Can cross? Yes, I can. What is that? So I kept walking around this area. Now I'm at the 42nd East 3rd Avenue. And the sun's still sunny.